Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about the rules of dominance. The rules of dominance are used to reduce the size of payoff matrix. Suppose if the payoff matrix is given in the order of 5 by 6, which means 5 rows and 6 columns, then this matrix can be reduced to 2 by 2 or 2 by 3 or like that by applying these dominance rules. These rules are help in deleting certain rows and or columns of the payoff matrix that are inferior to at least one of the remaining rows and or columns in terms of payoffs to both the players, which means here we are deleting the rows or columns which are not attractive when compared to the another rows or columns. Rows under columns, once deleted, can never be used for determining the optimal strategy for both the players. These rules of dominance especially used for the evaluation of two-person zero-sum games without a saddle point. So, first you have to check if the given game is having the saddle point or not. If the game has no saddle point, then we have to apply these dominance rules and we have to reduce the size of the payoff matrix. Let's see the dominance principles. First we have to check for what is the principle for the rows. If each element in a row, say x row, is less than or equal to the corresponding element in another row, say y row in the payoff matrix, then the y row is said to be dominated by the row x and therefore row x can be deleted from the payoff matrix. Which means if all the elements in a row, let us consider x row, should be less than or equal to the corresponding elements of another row, let us consider y row, then we have to delete the row x. Next, we have to see the dominance principle for the columns. If each element in a column, say x column, is greater than or equal to the corresponding element in another column, say y column, in payoff matrix, then the column x is said to be dominated by the column y, and therefore column x can be deleted from the payoff matrix. Which means if all the elements in a column, x column, should be greater than or equal to the corresponding elements of the another column, let y column, then we have to delete the column x. And one more thing, sometimes a strategy, let us consider the case strategy, can also be dominated if it is inferior to average of two or more pure strategies. In this case, if the domination is strict, then strategy can be deleted. That is, the strategy K can be deleted. Which means sometimes you have to compare with the rows and columns with the average of the another respected rows and the columns. So these are the domination principles. Thank you.